Greeting dear children. Now we are going to start exercise 8.1 of class 9th mathematics. This is the question. Ratio of the angles of quadrilateral is 3 ratio 5 ratio 9 ratio 13 and we have to find all the angles. So what we will do? Let all the angles be 3x, 5x, 9x and 13x. And we know by angle sum property that sum of angles should be 360 degree. With this we will find the value of x and finally we will get all the angles. Let us do simultaneously. Let the angles be 3x, 5x, 9x and 13x. Sum of angles 3x plus 5x plus 9x plus 13x, and this is coming out to be 13 and 9 is 22, 27 and 3 30x. But what we know? What is the sum of angles of a quadrilateral? 360 degree. But sum of all angles of quadrilateral is equal to 360 degree. Therefore, 30x is equal to 360. So, x will be equal to 360 upon 30. So, x will be equal to 12. If x is 12, then therefore each angle will be, we are just putting the value of x in this 3 into 12, 5x, this was 3x, 5x is 5 into 12, 9x is 9 into 12 and 13x is 13 into 12. Let us find the values. 12 3s are 36 degree, 60 degree, 108 degree and what will be the last answer? 156 degree. So we got all the answers, right? Now let us do the question number 2. I hope you have understood this question. Question number 2 is, if the diagonals of a parallelogram are equal, then show it is a rectangle. Question number 2. What is given? The diagonals of parallelogram are equal. This is a parallelogram. A, B, C, D is a parallelogram and it is given its diagonals are equal. This is a symbol of parallelogram. These arrows represent this line is parallel to this line and this is parallel to this side, right? Parallel and of course equal also. Now given is, here it is given ABCD is a parallelogram, so AC equal to BD and AB is equal to CD. Given ABCD is a parallelogram. This is the symbol of parallelogram with equal diagonals. Therefore, AB equal to CD, BC equal to AD, and AC equal to BD. So these are the things which are known to us, and what we want to prove? We want to prove that ABCD is a rectangle. For proving any figure rectangle, what is required? That parallelogram whose at least one angle is 90 degree is called a parallelogram. It means we have to prove at least one angle is 90 degree. One angle is 90 degree. This I have told you only for information. Now proof. What we are going to take, what we will do, we will take two triangles ABC and BAD. Take triangles ABC and BAD. Triangle BAD. What is there? AB in this triangle ABC and in triangle BAD. AB is common side. AB is equal to BA. These are common sides. Now ABC in this triangle side BC, BAD equal to AD by opposite sides of parallelogram. Opposite sides of parallelogram are equal, right? And it is also given in triangle ABC, AC is equal to BAD में BD. Given diagonals are equal, so therefore triangle ABC is congruent to triangle BAD by which congruence? All are sides, so this is SSS congruence. So this triangle is congruent to this. So what is the information? Can I say angle ABC is equal to angle BAD? Therefore, angle ABC is equal to angle BAD by what? By CPCT. What is the meaning of CPCT? Corresponding parts of congruent triangles. Right? So, these two angles are equal. But you know, in case of parallelogram, adjacent angles are supplementary. But in parallelogram, adjacent angles are supplementary. Supplementary means their sum should be equal to 180 degree. So I am doing here, okay, sum. Therefore angle ABC plus angle BAD, I have continued here, BAD is equal to 180 degree. I can say because these two triangles angles are equal, so I can say twice of angle ABC is equal to 180 degree. Therefore, angle ABC is equal to 180 by 2, that is equal to 90 degree. So, ABC is this angle. So, this angle is 90 degree. So, that parallelogram whose one angle, that parallelogram whose one angle is 90 degree is a rectangle. Therefore, this implies ABCD is a rectangle. This was the thing which we had to prove. I hope you have understood. Right? Have you got this thing? Thank you.